Thank you, Mr. Chairperson. This morning in Azerbaijan, human rights defender Mehman Huseynov was sentenced to 2 years imprisonment on charges of defamation against the police after he complained having been tortured by police. We call for his immediate and unconditional release. He is a well-known photojournalist and blogger. Since November, he is chairman of the Institute for Reporters' Freedom and Safety. On 9 January, he was dragged into an unmarked vehicle, taken to an unknown destination by unidentified people. He appeared in court the next day, sentenced to a fine for disobeying the police. Police forged his signature on documents he refused to sign. Signs of ill treatment and torture were obvious, including blood on his shirt and marks on his legs. Over years, authorities targeted Mehman Huseynov, his family and his organization. As reported by the Special Rapporteur on Human Rights Defenders, he was detained in 2012. The investigation against him is still open. He is banned from traveling abroad. The previous chairman of his organization died after being violently attacked in 2015. Before that, his brother, Mehman Huseynov, was forced into hiding and to leave Azerbaijan. Mehman Huseynov himself was also tortured in 2008, as found by the European Court for Human Rights. Azerbaijan reportedly did not have one single case of torture. Mehman Huseynov will not appear as a victim of police abuse, but as a criminal, which is characteristic of the way Azerbaijan looks into torture cases. Mehman Huseynov's case is also emblematic of the abusive and arbitrary methods used to punish and attempt to silence human rights defenders, journalists, and activists. The path followed by Azerbaijan can now be reported as increasingly authoritarian. Mr. Chairperson, the international community must act, given the continued and increased repression against human rights defenders, journalists, and lawyers in Azerbaijan. This dire human rights situation in Azerbaijan deserves the highest attention and action at the Human Rights Council. Thank you.